Hey yo, this is Chris-O. It's Monday morning. I thought I just had a little bit of problem with my camera then, but nah, all good. Yo, it's me again. What I'm doing here is, it's Monday morning and I'm starting off on my shower. I'm going to lay this floor today, so I haven't got a big day, but that's what you get with, with bathrooms. You get sometimes a bit of a early knockoff, like it didn't take me all day to screed it the other day. It didn't take me all day to waterproof it, but that's cool, you don't have to be hammering at it constantly all day to to make money. No, that's not the way it's meant to be. Anyway, so what I'm doing here, people, is I'm going to make my shower 1200. Whether they have their screen, there's going to be a bath here, freestanding bath, toilet there. So they'll probably make their screen, say, at about 1 metre. Where's my tape? Oh, I don't know where my tape is, but that's with 150 there, that's coming out 1350. So if they have 1 metre screen, which is, say, there, that gives them heaps of room. But the slope is starting, the slope to my strip drain is starting about here, and it's slightly falling, and it falls down 15 mil. Now what I'm doing is I go from there and I'm going to leave the width of my level. I don't go right to the corner because most of the time it chips unless you cut it with a water saw. And you don't want to go out, being a DIY, you don't want to go out and buy a water saw and use it once. That's just not the go. But you see everyone cutting on a water saw, well, they are doing it all the time. So I'm showing you how not to go out and buy a water saw and do it without one. So where the hell is my long level? There it is. Just mark this off because it's all square. There and there. So I can turn that off now. So what I'm doing is going from there down to there, and that is going to tilt. All the water is going to flow down there nicely, and this tilts. You will see how I do it in a minute. Same here. So what I've done is I've found the center of my strip drain. So everything is symmetrical. It's the same distance left to right, same distance, same width. Everything looks super pleasing to the eye. Now I'll get my tape which is here. I'm cutting in the kitchen. Not much room out here, but that's all right. Right, I'll show you my set out. You always go off a shower, always. You always go off that waste, even when it's not a linear drain. Right, I'll be going across there in 600 by 600 tiles. That's 2 tiles, and I have an 80mm cut across the front there, which is all right. That there is 140mm. $80 millimeters, which is like 3.5 inches. That, just so be it. It's better. That's not too small. It's all right. It's livable, and you've got everything symmetrical at the shower. Otherwise, if I moved it over, it would be it doesn't look right. As you walk into the shower, beautiful. This owner is a young fella, and he's used his brains. You walk into the shower, turn it on here, and have it warm before you get wet. Anyone that turns it on here and they're getting wet, rocks in their head. Anyway, all you got to do is give it a little thought. Tell the plumber what you want. What do we got? 1200 there. So that's bang on. That's two tiles across there. I might have to trim 5mm off. So that's my whole set out, people. You know, beautiful. I will be having aluminium as a water stop around here. I'll be laying this tile and then putting down silicone and putting down my aluminium, which I'll show you next. I'll cut these suckers and you'll see my setup. Until then, give us 15 minutes and I'll set myself up and I'll show you how it's done. I'll stick them down too. So when I come back, I'll be showing you how to do the water stop. Stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for watching my channel. I'm out to increase big time. I'm out to do all sorts of things actually, so stay tuned. Hang on in there. Lean in. Yo!